Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great. And welcome to this new video here on Dogecoin. Wanted to do a full update. So if you're new to the channel, we'll talk about the technicals, we'll talk about the fundamentals, we'll talk about the different scenarios here for Dogecoin and what's possible. Obviously on the kind of Sunday to Monday, we dropped down into this main support level between 25 cents and let's say 22.5 cents, but ultimately, I mean, you can see the level on the chart. It's kind of the level, or let's say for now the main support level is 25 cents, but we have this buffer all the way from 25 to 20 cents, which is a major support level in general. To kind of cut to the chase, I don't think we will drop down lower than the spike we've made. I think the market, even though it's a little bit uncertain right now, and there's quite a lot of uncertainty in the markets, I do think the markets are strong enough, or at least Dogecoin specifically is strong enough to hold that level. But that is, I don't think that is the main question we need to talk about, because what we already talked about on Monday after the crash is that what we really needed to do to stay at least moderately bullish on the higher time frames is reclaim this level right here around 30 cents. All right. And what you can see so far from Dogecoin, which I don't necessarily like, and you might not like that I'm saying this, but if you don't know my channel, I try to be honest. All right. So I try to tell you the truth about how the market is looking right now. And if you don't like that, then that's fine. But most of you I know do like that. So I'll just continue with that. But the truth is that I think it's going to be very hard to break above this level here at 31 and 30 cents. The last time Dogecoin had serious momentum was ahead of the inauguration, and a lot of that serious momentum just immediately went away when the Trump meme coin launched. All right, and with that, I mean, Dogecoin was kind of the meme coin associated with Trump and Elon Musk. And what happened with the Trump meme coin launch, even though it has not been performing great, if you take a look at the chart, it means that Dogecoin since then hasn't really seen any momentum. I mean, if you take a look at the open interest right here, since then it's been decreasing. More and more positions have been sold off. And there have been times with Dogecoin that we have actually seen some sort of a decent volume influx. For example, the last couple of days, like after the Trump inauguration, we actually did have some bullish momentum. But since then, like the 27th, when the price fell down quite hard, like the support level here was defended, but the volume went up in defending the support level. We've never seen since the inauguration that the volume went up trying to get a bullish breakout, right? So again, Sunday to Monday, we saw the volume reach massive heights. I mean, the volume went up to $12 billion. That's amazing, right? That's volume. That back in the days, back in November and December, that's not back in the days, but you know what I mean. That was the volume that made us break out. But now the volume is spent defending bottoms, and there just isn't enough momentum. There isn't enough volume to really push the price above the previous support levels, right? So you can see, yes, the bottom has been formed, and I don't think we'll drop down lower, but we need at least $7 billion in volume to break above this level and get into this area, which would be bullish, right? I mean, then you can actually say, all right, Dogecoin is moving up, and Dogecoin is turning structurally more bullish. And I don't see that happening. There's no technical evidence. As you can see, the momentum in open interest is still dropping down. The volume is still dropping down over the last couple of days, every single day. So there's no momentum coming from there. And I also don't think, I mean, there's a lot going on with the Department of Government Efficiency. But the meme coins around that whole phenomenon have just dispersed too much. There's too many of them around that. There's too many of these meme coins, and I'm not talking about meme coins in general, but too many meme coins kind of battling for that same attention around Trump and Elon Musk. And Dogecoin doesn't seem to be winning that fight for now. So what I would expect is that we can find stability here, and we might be able to bounce up to 30 cents, maybe even 31 cents. But I don't see any reason why we could break out above that. If we want to break out above that, we need to have volume of at least $7 billion. All right. And if that happens, I will keep you updated on that. For now, I think we can move up there, but I think in general, it's more likely we will actually stabilize a little bit lower on top of something like 22.5 cents, consolidate, and from there, we'll have to see again. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think is most likely for now. So if you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.